Y'all, these niggas know what the fuck going on. Whole lot of young slime shit. Let's go. Y'all, got bows in the back of the scat and I'm driving it bitch, so you better sit back. Kinda slide, so I turn off the track, caught her up on the block, got shot in the back. Got 35 shots in the Mac, had to pre down on them up in all black. Nigga play, then he gotta get whacked. On the 1 cent shot, said it back. On the 1 cent shot, said it back. I almost his curb up in Jeep track. 1,000 the bow, yeah, I tag. Nigga know we ain't speaking on whack. Spray, they left some knots in the back. Gotta know that I keep a rag. Gotta know that I keep a rag. Catch up, I'm push it back. Catch up, I'm push it back. Doing the dash in the track, I'm a lock control. Catch up, I'm white boy, no central man on a mission, it dumbass froze. Enter the clip, spin again, then reload, hit it car with the chop to that little horse blow. Caught him on the back screen, made it flip off the road. No drop at the best, it's the day that I'm old. Freedom member that locked and I ain't fold. Got 400 shots in the car on the road. And you nigga be bitch, y'all ain't even bold. Might steal me a bug, get it gone, bitch stole. Got some nigga that locked you still ain't told. Got a big ass pills in that hoe all go. But I'm looking the wrong way cause I'm quick take a stove. Point lane and some walk inside of a boat. When I'm post on the block, I gotta keep cold. You nigga be bitch, I just play my role. Whole time you need snitch, y'all work for patrol. And most of these niggas still stuck on parole. Left a bed with a stain, it look like some old. Put a hole in their brain, it's all on the floor. And I was running in the spot, they kick down the door. And them niggas know we the one open the stove. Hop straight out the car, shoot, drove through the door, try to switch on the Glock, he fall on the floor. Hit the bitch from the back, then she begging for more. Niggas say he got money, but post at the store. Red beam on his head, his ass gotta go. Come drinking on lean, got me move slow mo. I be got me head while she touch the toe. And them niggas know Youngin slam, really is the blow.
Exclusive shit, not the same old usual shit. You feel me?